Costa Rica is a tiny Central American country that has one little problem: cars. Traffic is everywhere. This problem is worst in the Central Valley. So, to help with congestion, the government spent the last 20 years expanding all of the highways that lead into the main city. Can you guess what happened? Using the recently expanded highways, developers built close-gated communities far away from the city center and assumed that everyone is going to drive to and from them. So, they built them that way. This is what one of them looks like as it's getting built. There's no sidewalk, the recently paved road has no markings, and the cars are traveling at any speed. In the meantime, the bus system, which used to transport 54% of the people in 2008, has since been ignored, leaving a broken system. This, of course, pushed more and more people into cars. Traffic got worse, and now the government wants to keep expanding its highways again. Check out the full video for the full story.